In this tutorial, you will learn how to create this 3D pop-up effect in Canva. Without wasting time, let's go to Canva. Go to Canva, and after opening a new project, upload and import your image. Resize it to fit the page. Now go to Elements. Type Curve. Go to Graphic and select this one. Rotate it and move it. Adjust the placement position. Increase the size. Duplicate. And increase the size of this one as well. Adjust the placement position. Duplicate again. And continue as you see in the video. Go to Draw or Tool. Choose this pen. Change the color to black. Increase the weight of the pen. Now fill all these parts with the black color. Download this page now. Add a new page. And upload the image you downloaded. Use Magic Studio. Select Magic Grab. Use the brush. Reduce the size. And brush inside this image. Click Grab now. Click on the background and delete it. Go to Effects, click Shadow. Choose Outline. Reduce the size and change the color to white. Change the background color to any color you like. For now, I prefer this gradient color. Download this page as a PNG with transparent background. Delete this. And upload the image you downloaded. It looks like Canva downloaded it with the background. Select the image and click VG Remover. I will change the background color to the same color as before. Select the image. Go to Effects. Click Shadow and choose Curve. Follow this setting. Go to Filter and apply a filter to it. From Uploads, import the original image. Apply the filter to this image as well. Go to Transparency and reduce the transparency. And try to make the size the same as the first. And you can use the arrows from Nudge section or on the keyboard to move the picture slightly. Increase transparency. And go to BG Remover. This is a cool 3D pop-out. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to learn more about Canva and its tips and tricks.